camera.
Say something to the camera.
Yes!
Team USA!
Go Team USA!
Oh, you're Jamaica? Or...
Yes. Welcome to Japan. World Championships has started and today's day 2. So I'll try to give you guys a little bit of snippets of what's happening. Mostly focused on the vibe. So catch you guys soon when we reach the stadium. Made it to Shinjuku. That's where I would go if I wanted to go to the park. But today I am looking for the Sobo line because we're going to the National Stadium. Yes, I should have put on my microphones, but I'm looking for the gate. I actually got off at Sendagaya station because it is the closest one to my house. Lots of people already out here, and yeah, I think I'm gonna put on my microphone because I don't want my volume to be super low. But yes, guys, we out here already. Today is super hot. Super hot. Camera.
Say something to the camera.
Yes! As you can see, I just won the 100 meter just now. I'm sweating. Can you see how I'm excited? Big up to everybody at Jamaica. The official goods section, there are so many people, tons of people trying to get branded items with the World Championships logo on it, official items. Maybe I'll try to get that someday, but not today because it's
Go Team USA!
Go Team USA!
Let's go! You're Jamaica or
yes,
USA?
I'm Jamaica.
Okay, we're
Okay. Yeah, it's gonna be spicy today. This is the stadium, guys, in front of your own eyes. A is to the left, so we're going to the left over this section. Ran into a few Jamaicans. It was just a vibe, yo. The sun is setting and things are about to just get exciting. Here, Sony booth. The national anthem of Kenya, and they're playing it right at this moment. I finally make my debut into the stadium built for the 2020 Olympics. It's gonna be a vibe. Welcome to Japan once again, and we look forward to winning some medals. Team Jamaica, let's go!
Away.